channel. It's Tuesday night. It's probably about 7 o'clock, and I thought I'd take a ride up to Chang Puak Gate and walk around where they're serving food and maybe hit the streets around here a little bit. See what's kind of going on. It's been a pretty nice day today. It got a little warm in the afternoon, but the morning was real cool. And so we'll just walk around and see what's happening. I hope. It looks like they're, well, it's hard to tell if they're setting up or what the situation is right now, because you know, the tables, they don't have any tables out now. It's just food. We'll walk around and see what's going on. A lot of line drivers, that's for sure. But not many people out, that's for sure. We'll take a walk around. There's some guy out here taking pictures of the food. All the drivers lined up. This little one working hard. That's kind of neat.
Hi.
Hello. What kind of sauce is that?
It's our new product is a cookie sauce.
Oh, cooking sauce. Spicy?
A bit spicy.
Okay.
Yes.
Huh.
We
Are
have
you-
original one and it's the bottom.
Okay. Are you on Facebook?
Yeah, we have.
What's your Facebook name?
So our Facebook name. Yeah, this one. We have Facebook and Instagram.
Okay.
Can you see?
Say your I'm putting this on YouTube. What is the name of your Facebook page?
Suki Changphueak. Can I write it for you in the paper?
I got it right there.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, I have to check that out. Thank you.
Thank you.
They're just bailing.
Our Facebook?
Yeah. Just put it in the camera so I can get it there.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can focus in. Yeah, that's good.
Also, we have Instagram. Do you still want it?
Yeah, show me your Instagram too.
Oh yeah, sure. Thank you. We already have sale. This is our Instagram.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
My YouTube channel is Unseen Thailand
Unseen Thailand.
in Chiang Mai.
Unseen Thailand in Chiang Mai.
You look tomorrow, you'll see this on there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. That's pretty cool. I have to get some of that sauce. And mangoes. And your fruit drink. He's making omelets over there just about as fast as he can get them out. And there's the infamous pork lady. It's not, I don't think it's her though. Yeah, that's the infamous pork lady. Whew, that looks good. Hello. They're busy, busy, busy. Get a good shot of that pork. Whew, that looks good. That's the lady that started it. There's your broth right there. Whew. Yeah, he's cooking it up. This guy's fast. In the plate it goes. We'll walk down further a little bit. Swati cop. Not a lot of people out, but again, it's still early. A lot of people are just now starting to slide home from work. And they'll stop here and get their food. They got no sales here. We'll walk down here to the end. You can see Chang Puak Gate off in the distance. Whew, it's a little warm. The water in the moat right now is real high. I don't know if they're getting ready to do something or whether they've drained it from the other side. If we can get over that way, we'll take a look. Noodle shops. Desserts. Ooh, that looks good. Body cop. And you get your fish here. Man. Usually when you come by here at night, this place is usually packed. Swati cop. Oh, there's a soy milk. That lady will always do a good business. And you get your money bank right over here, 7-Eleven. Now she's selling rolls. Yeah. Huh. Fried foods. We'll go down here and walk around the corner a little bit. It is definitely getting hot. Waffles. You get your fruit stand. Yeah, we walk this way a little bit. I think we've been down here before. For 6 o'clock, there's not much traffic. That's for sure. Well, I'm going to shut this off till we get across the street. Chang Puak Gate. And over here, I'll put this on there. I don't know if y'all can do anything with it or not. It may tell the whole history on it. But it says over here, Chang Puak Gate. This gate, located on the northern wall of the city, dates back to the year 1296 when King Mangrai founded Chiang Mai. The name of the gate was originally Huawang because, according to the traditional belief, the head Hua of the city was located in this direction. Under King Sim Muang Ma, 1385-1401, the white elephant Chang Puak was erected outside the gate to the north. The name of the gate was thereafter changed to Chang Puak Gate. Prior to the coronation, new king ceremoniously entered into the city through this gate. The gate was constructed in the years around 1800s, but completely rebuilt between 1966 and 1969. Huh, interesting. And even though these are not the original gates, they're still recognized as being sacred. There's signs all around saying don't crawl on them. And there was one British guy that scribbled on one of them back, oh gosh, probably about a year ago. And they tracked him down, him and his girlfriend or whatever she was, and they damn near didn't make it out of the country. Just people being stupid is all it is. But you know, there's all kinds. And sometimes out here in this little center, they'll have aerobics. But I guess since COVID, they've stopped doing that. Whew. It is hot, so I'm going to make it back to the motorcycle and close this out. Still get a nice breeze through here, though. Whew. I think it's the breeze of the cars going by. These little green ribbons on the trees, I'll explain to you what they are. And they're on the trees all along the moat. Back about 3 years ago, and those of you that live here will definitely know about this, but about maybe even longer than that, the judicial branch of the government in Chiang Mai is located right at the base of the Doi Satep Mountains. Well, somehow through some kind of a deal, the judicial department decided they were going to build, I think, probably about 100 homes up the side of the mountain in this little tract of land that they had. Well, they got the houses all built, and everybody just started going crazy, you know, trying to say it was, you know, they didn't own the land, and I mean, they had protests, and they finally had to move everybody out of the houses. And to this day, they're still standing, but I don't think anybody's living in them. And supposedly, they're supposed to tear them down and restore the forest back to the way it was. But you know, this is Thailand. It may be generations before that ever happens. But that's what there was a group of people, and they're by protest, and they put green ribbons on all the trees around the moat. That's what they're there for. The way I understand it. Now, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Anyway, I'm going to quit babbling and shut this thing off and make it back across the street. The traffic's starting to pick up a little bit now. There's a real pretty temple right over there. You can see the silver walls. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little trip. It's not going to be a long video because there's really not a whole lot to see up here, and I've walked the streets pretty much all around here. But that's Chang Puak Gate, and that's generally where they sell the food at night. And I don't think there's as many people here as I've seen in the past just driving by, but you know, there are people, and you have to understand that a lot of them are taking it out. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like videos like this, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and click the like, because that really does help. One of the last videos I got a lot of likes, and it just flew. One of the best videos that I've had do so far. But anyway, we'll see you on the next one. It's hot out here, and I'm headed back to the house.